Birds are having a feast.
I never knew medicine tastes so sweet.
Hi Jamal's family, how you do? Awesome, awesome. So you would have seen some of the features I've done on the unusual fruits here in Jamaica, right? Well, there's another weirdo. This one is called Jaboticaba and it's found here in Jamaica. This fruit actually grows on the trunk of the tree. Yes, it does, but it is extremely nutritious. It's loaded with antioxidants. In fact, they say it have more antioxidants than blueberries and grapes. We're going to look at it today, and I'm back with Sir Tom. You remember that Caucasian man who has been in Jamaica for over 30 years, I think, has been cultivating these plants. I'm back at his place, and we're going to learn more about this amazing, unusual fruit together. Stay to the end, because I have another special secret to share with you about this fruit, and you don't want to miss that. I want to make a special shout out though to you guys. You have been awesome. All of you, my subscribers who continue to like and share and comment on my videos. I want to say thank you. Thank you. If you're brand new here though, meaning you're here for the first time, I'm going to implore you, I'm going to encourage you to join us. We do a lot of these kind of stuff and they want you to miss any of it. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on my latest videos. The Jaboticaba, let's go. Alright guys, we're treading the Rocky Wall way. I'm at the Rastafari Herbal Garden, and this is the man again. You remember him from the previous video, the ice cream bean video?
Greetings.
Alright man, and today we're gonna do the, what's the name of it?
Jaboticaba.
Jaboticaba.
But funny enough, we are underneath an ice cream bean tree right now.
Oh, another one?
Yes.
Oh, this is a big one.
No, this is a little bigger than the other one, but it's still the dwarf version.
Yes. And it has some ice cream and some ice cream beans as well.
Yes, and this one I'm gonna prune this year.
Yes,
I wanna cut him back and let him shoot back. I see they respond well to that.
Oh, nice. All right, so we're heading down, guys, to the Jaboticaba. The Jaboticaba, which is an interesting fruit.
This one we can do in June. This is lipote. It's a tree, comes from the Philippines, very rare in the Western Hemisphere. And it's related to the Otahiti apple.
Ah, cool.
The only thing is, it bears in a bunch and they bear like grape-sized fruits.
Oh, cool.
Very nice tree.
Very nice. Yes. More to come, guys. More to come.
This one is the sweet star fruit tree.
Just passing the sweet star fruit tree.
One next ice cream bean tree.
More ice cream bean. Cool.
You have the mountain sap.
Oh, the mountain sap. Yes, like the sour. So those of you who don't know what mountain sap is, we did a feature on that. There's a link in the description. It actually has a couple of small fruits on it. You can see. This is the anata.
This is the anata. Have you done this one?
Don't remember if no, I don't. Yes, I did.
Okay.
This
is the most underrated medicinal tree we have.
Really?
You know, annatto is the biggest natural cancer fighter.
Really?
According to Google. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I know it's very good, but I didn't know.
And I use it in various forms pretty much daily.
Oh, cool.
And I don't know if you want that long story on the tape, but I had a young guy visit me here just when I was incorporating annatto into my diet. And then he just lost his father due to colon cancer. And he come visit me here with his cousin. And after eating all the food I prepare, he started to develop one bump on his leg. Long story short, my herbal doctor friend identified it as cancer. And I was worried about have to call his mother and let her know. I said, no, we take care of that. He tell us which teas to make to bathe his foot. And, you know, three weeks after we start the treatment, the whole damn thing busts open.
Wow.
And then for like, I don't know, a week, 10 days. Yes, your face looked right. What came out looked like pizza sauce.
Oh.
Red and white, it looked really not nice. But we had a good time, you know, while we do the treatment. And after, you know, after about 2 weeks, it healed up and he never had any issues health-wise again.
Wow.
So I don't have scientific proof because I'm just a one-man experiment with some friends who come join me sometime. But I think this is something that we should use a lot more than
more to come on this. Yeah, man, definitely. I'm gonna be doing some more. We did a feature on that, but it was more from a spice. perspective.
Okay.
Oh,
Pineapple here.
Pineapple. You can't get hungry here.
No, you can't. This now is the tall ice cream mean.
Okay, got it.
You see some pots hanging.
Yes, I
down
see
there.
them. I see them.
Mm-hmm.
I see them.
And you see the trees get huge.
See them are huge.
They cover my pine fields.
Tall ice cream bean. You have a lot of ice cream bean here.
Yes, and the good thing about this kind, you can eat the seeds.
Good.
And of course, you know, you have a lot more food in one of them than in the small ones.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I see something. Oh, no, am I seeing? That's the Jaboticaba.
Yes.
That's it. I see it, guys. And the birds are having a feast right now. Is that? I see some birds.
Yes, see them?
They're trying to hide us. But guys, this is the Jaboticaba we've been telling you about that has more antioxidants than grapes and blueberries, they say. This is a powerhouse. This fruit here, don't take it for granted. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
And you see, nature make use of it.
Yes.
Look how many are eaten out.
Yeah, man. Quite a few. The birds are having a feast. I've never seen anything like this. I've never. Well, it's a long time I haven't been at only maybe Nesbury. I've been to a tree where I see so many. Probably about 5 birds that have just run when we were coming a while ago. Just flew away from it. So the tree. All right.
And now,
so let's calm my excitement and then talk about.
And you see, this is kind of the end of the season now. So a lot of them already reaped. You see on the ground, a whole lot of them dropped. And
all right,
I heard that a mature tree can bear 2 or 3 times for the year. But mine only reach like 1.5, 2 times.
Okay.
So there's a big season and there's a bit of smaller season.
Yes.
This was like the main season then now.
We are eternally grateful to you, man, for the invite. I'm learning so much. But what struck me, as I said, 2 things about it. The fact that the fruit grow on the trunk.
Yeah.
The fruit grows on the trunk, number one.
I think they call that cauliflora in botanical terms. Anything that grow
on the trunk. It's a little eerie. but it's interesting, but it's extremely nutritious. So let's talk about the tree now. If you can come under, Sir Tom. The tree looks like a pimento. The trunk of it.
Pimento, guava.
Yeah, guava, pimento.
Wood.
Yeah, the trunk of it.
Have the same behavior. Look, that's how he protected himself from fungus.
Yes.
He shed off the bark.
Cool. And then the leaves look like a cherry. Correctly, right? What else about it you want to mention? What else you know? You can tell us about it. So this is the fruit, obviously.
Other than it tastes absolutely delicious.
Okay. The fruits are like
grape. Those are small. They sometimes get a bit bigger. This was blossoming and starting to bear in the dry time, so the fruits are quite a bit smaller. Very nice and sweet, though.
What do they taste like?
Like a sweet grape.
Sweet grape.
Or maybe a bit, you know, the clear part of the star apple. It has that little shell kind of thing. But it's always difficult, you know, if you never eat an orange and you try to describe the taste, you don't really get nowhere.
True.
So it has its own.
Yeah, and the texture is the texture like the grape, the star fruit.
There's a seed inside, so the skin, you can eat the skin, but too much of the skin can make you constipated. There's a lot of tannin in it.
Yeah.
So what I do, I eat the fruit, I spit out the seed and the skin. You know, I used to plant every seed, but I cannot do that again now.
Yeah, no, you can't. You're not going to have the space.
So many now.
Awesome. And the traditional uses, do you know, I guess people, outside of eating, they can make it into a drink, I presume, right?
Yes, I made a couple times, I made a drink for it, juice, just squeeze out it, and it was so rich. Yeah. It's amazing.
And you just drink it like with ginger or something?
No, I just eat it straight.
No, drink, when you make the drink.
Yeah, but just straight, nothing, I didn't mix it with anything.
Just water?
Not even water, just the juice. It was so rich.
You blend it?
No, I just squeeze it out.
And
then,
drink it?
And drink it. I think I strained it.
That's gonna be rich, man.
Yes, it is, and it's something, you know, you can't do that often. Like when you have a high season, you have your own tree, you can do that.
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
And it's loaded. So these are all ready now. Am I right?
Yeah, ready or already spoiled. You see,
spoiled,
there's a lot of them are eaten already.
Yeah. So what do they look like? So we're here at the right time, but
we're a bit late.
Yeah. So
this is only like not even a quarter of what was on the tree.
Oh,
like sometimes they bear fruits that you cannot see the wood.
Oh, yes. I saw a picture of that online. Where it looks really irritating. When you look at it, it's almost like a beehive. When I look, you can't hardly see the trunk. But when it's not ready yet, I'm assuming it's green, right?
Yes, there's it's actually quite amazing how fast it turns from a blossom into a fruit, and then how it ripens.
A lot of these are gonna go to waste now, sir.
Yes,
so,
yeah.
Unfortunately.
I mean, I'm gonna pick some more before that happens.
Yes.
But you know, I have no problem feeding nature because you know,
nature feeds you.
Exactly, and you know, you're feeding the microbes in the soil, and then next year you have a better crop.
Yes.
So it's not really being wasted. It's not being sold. It doesn't make money. Yes. But it's have its use.
Ah, fantastic. And you say, how long after it starts to blossom, then it becomes ready to eat? Do you think?
I think less than a month. It's very quick.
Less than a month?
Yes.
And is it season, as I say, several times a year you mentioned earlier?
I heard that a mature tree can bear 3 times a year. I think that also needs irrigation when it's dry for that to happen.
Yes. But this is all well crafted, just grown. You don't do anything to this tree?
No, this is all grown from seed. I have not done circumposing and those things yet. I would like to get more into that.
Yeah.
But for that, I need to attract some conscious help here.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
And the only issue I have with this tree, it also makes it hard to sell. It takes like 12 to 15 years before it bears.
Oh, okay.
From seedling, they grow very smooth and slow. Like you see the next tree next to it. This tree is more than 5 years old.
Oh, okay, gotcha. It's been another 10 years or so before it comes to fruition.
And then you see I probably planted too close to this one, so
oh yeah, maybe.
I'm learning to live with my mistakes.
All right.
But it's still a sweet life.
Yeah, no man, it's definitely a good life. And there go a few more birds in the top of the tree, guys. They're enjoying themselves with the Jaboticaba because they know, nature knows that this is a powerhouse. I'm not sure if you can see the birds. They're jumping up at the top. Yeah, all kind of birds up there, Sir Tom. All right, so Sir Tom just gave me these, guys. I'm gonna have a little taste now. Let's see. I know you will love to see me on camera having the fruit, so let's go. Okay, guys. So Jaboticaba. So it looks like a marble. What do you say? The size of a marble? And for those who know marble, old enough to know marble, the size of a marble, and it looks like blackberry. It's like
it is a blackberry.
Grape.
They call it Brazilian grape too.
Oh, so when you taste it, actually, it's kind of firm, but when you put it in your mouth and press, it just pop. Literally just pop. It's like like a burst of bubble. I like the pop. It's sweet. By the time I leave here, guys, I'll be 10 times more healthy. And it's loaded with antioxidants, I told you. I like it, Sir Tom.
I don't know if there's instant benefit or if you have to take it for years.
I don't know. Well, maybe in the mind, but I feel healthy already.
It definitely put a smile on your face.
Come on. Run good. Good, guys, good. You need to. Boy, I tell you, I wish. Thank you. This is good. So Sir Tom is picking what is left of it from the birds.
Yeah, I'm not gonna pick all, but I would give you a little souvenir for the way home.
Thank you. But most of them is gonna be wasted, as I said. If you don't pick them within a week, right?
Yeah, it's
well, sorry, not wasted. It's gonna.
Yeah.
Sorry, I know. Gotta go back to Mother Earth.
Used in different ways than human consumption.
Yeah. Awesome. So honestly, right now we almost like feel like we're competing with the birds. I think the birds can't wait for us to disappear to have a feast. All kind of birds are here, guys, having this food. I'm gonna tell you why, because I've actually done some research, and this is scientific stuff now we're talking about. 6 major health benefits of this Jaboticaba. I said it right, sir?
Yeah.
Jaboticaba. Number 1, rich in antioxidants, which we spoke about. I've been talking about. Here go the birds again. There go the birds again. Rich in antioxidants. It's packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins and polyphenols, they say, which helps protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. This can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Sir Tom. Number 2, boost immunity. With its high vitamin content, the Jaboticaba fruit can give your immune system a nice little boost. And here Sir Tom eating. He's having a feast while we're talking, helping you stay healthy and ward off illnesses. Number 3, supports heart health. Yes, man, the antioxidants and fiber in this fruit, Jaboticaba, may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, reducing your risk of a heart disease. Number 4, anti-inflammatory. Some studies, they say, suggest that the compounds found in this fruit may have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of certain inflammatory conditions. Number 5, digestion. It contains dietary fiber, which can promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, keeping your gut happy and functioning smoothly. Another bird just dashed across the camera. Number 6, potential anti-cancer effects. They say while more research is needed, studies have already shown that the antioxidants and phytochemicals in Jaboticaba may have anti-cancer properties, guys, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Sir Tom, you're a rich man.
Thanks. I feel so too.
Yes, man.
When I hear all those things, I'm aware of some of them, but I never get that full list.
Might tell you, man. And
I think the price just gone up.
Yes,
double.
Definitely. Did you know that this fruit, Jaboticaba, is also a natural source of resveratrol? And what is that? It's the same compound found in red wine that has been associated with various health benefits, Sir Tom, including heart health and longevity. It's in this. There you go.
I hope it's working.
Yes, man. Well. Nature is consistent. That's what we know.
But I never knew medicine tastes so sweet.
I know. You don't. And if you're not into alcohol, this is a natural way to have it. Eh? You don't have to drink the red wine. You get it here. This is amazing. Lovely. I want to just big up. I want you guys to big up Sir Tom again for what he's doing, cultivating these exotic, healthy, nutritious fruits here in Jamaica. He said he wants to spread them. He doesn't want to keep them. He will willingly sell them, although they're very it's not easy to transport, right? That way we call them
transporting is not really the problem. The problem is to catch them. This one here is not so easy to catch, and they grow slow in the beginning.
Perishable. Sorry.
The fruits are perishable, very much so. You know, I would say shelf life 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
You know, they start get soft. So when they're firm, they're nice. When they start to get mushy, their taste change.
Yeah.
So I think that's why you don't see them in the supermarket, and that's why they're not promoted commercially.
Yeah.
But my point is, people should have fruit trees around the house.
Yes.
Or at least plant them on the street so children can pick them on the way to school.
And that is your goal. That is one of your vision.
Yes, Fruitify the Island.
Fruitify the
by all
Island.
means. Yes.
Fruitify the Island. Big him up.
We're looking partners, sponsors, customers, everything.
Yes. Yeah. I
Volunteers.
I love
contact us.
Love that. And tell them how to contact you again.
So our WhatsApp number is 1-876-864-5345. That's also a landline number if you're in Jamaica. You know, so you can contact us anytime. Midday evening is the best, or I will call back when I see missed call.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Big him up for me, guys. Sir Tom and the Jaboticaba. Another unusual, interesting fruit right here on the island of Jamaica.
And big up Creation for having all those things just ready for us to pick and share and care and distribute.
God is good. There's one more thing. You actually also have a Airbnb. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. You want to tell people about that if you're interested?
Yes. People who are interested in health and want to come experience this kind of life for a few days, a few weeks, a few months.
Yeah.
Welcome to do so.
Yeah.
You know, I don't have a lot of space, and I'm really looking to entertain people that are really interested in the food, in the fruits, in the healthy lifestyle.
And it doesn't get healthier than this, guys. We're in very rural. We actually had to park and walk the rest of the distance. So this man is living the life way up in the hills here in Westmoreland, Jamaica. And there's a link. So go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, it's interesting. You know, this area used to be very populated.
Yeah.
Even where I am, there used to be an old yard like 50, 60 years ago.
Oh.
But modern life draw everybody out to the road.
Yes.
And the way, you know, this was farming territory. Banana from here shipped to England and all kind of places.
Yes.
And now, sadly enough, the farming has gone down. You know, people do the working out.
Yes. Everybody is in the center of the town. Yes.
And up here gets get empty, and try to keep up an old yard and improve on it by bringing in exotic fruits.
Love it. All links, guys, links to his updated information, other contact is also in the description where you can find him, his Airbnb links and all of that is in the description as well. Man, so good.
You can Google Rastafari Herbal Gardens and you find us on Google Earth. There are some links there as well. So you can only miss us if you don't want to find us.
Fantastic. Big him up for me. Big up. Share this video now as well, guys. Share it. Come on, others need to see it. Hit that share button and share it with somebody so they can see all the good stuff.
My fruits.
Yes, man. It's good stuff that's happening here. The Jaboticaba with Sir Tom again, guys. This is amazing stuff. Awesome. Listen, man, we talk about the amazing health benefits of this plant, of this fruit here. If you appreciate this as much as I do, I want you to run to the comments and put health. Yeah, man, health. It's loaded with antioxidants, but it has an array of health benefits as well. So go to the comments and put health. There's another video you need to see, and that's the one I did prior to this one, which is the ice cream bean one. If you love this one, you're going to absolutely love that one. There's a link in the description. It's in the card above. See you, that one.